Welcome to Globetrotters HD. Today, we're diving deep into the bustling streets of Mumbai to uncover the 9 best street foods you absolutely have to try. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end because number 1 is something you cannot leave Mumbai without tasting. So buckle up, because this is going to be one delicious ride. Number 9. Ragda Pattis, the tangy, spicy and oh-so-crispy delight. Imagine this. A crisp golden potato patty smothered in a spicy, tangy white pea curry, drizzled with chutneys and topped with crunchy sev. That, my friends, is Ragda Pattis, Mumbai's answer to comfort food. The combination of the soft patty and the thick, spicy ragda creates a contrast of textures that is just irresistible. The chutneys add an extra layer of depth. The tangy tamarind chutney, the spicy green chutney, and a generous dash of chopped onions bring it all together beautifully. The best part? Every bite bursts with an explosion of flavors, leaving your taste buds tingling with joy. Where to eat it? Head over to Sardar Refreshments near Tardeo. It's legendary and worth every bite. And the price? Just $1.20, or around 100 INR. It's cheap, it's filling, and it's bursting with flavor. Speaking of bursts of flavor, let's move on to something that's a staple in every Mumbaikar's life. Number 8. Misal Pav, the ultimate spice bomb. Brace yourselves because this one is not for the faint-hearted. Misal Pav is a fiery Maharashtrian dish made of sprouted lentils, topped with a spicy gravy, crispy farsan, onions and fresh coriander. And of course, it's served with soft buttery pav to help you soak up all that deliciousness. This dish is known for its intense heat thanks to the spicy red oil, also known as kat, that floats on top. It's smoky, peppery, and adds a serious kick that spice lovers will absolutely adore. The combination of the crunchy farsan and the smooth, spicy curry makes every bite an adventure in itself. The best place to grab one? Aswad in Dadar even won an award for being the best vegetarian dish in the world. And it's just $1.50 or about 125 rupees. Hot, spicy, and an absolute flavor bomb. Misal Pav is a must-try. But hey, if that was too spicy for you, don't worry, the next one is all about comfort and nostalgia. Number 7. Bombay Sandwich, the king of street food sandwiches. This isn't just any sandwich, this is the Bombay Sandwich. 3 slices of soft bread packed with layers of butter, coriander chutney, boiled potatoes, cucumbers, beets, and a sprinkle of masala. Then it's grilled to perfection and served with more chutney and sev on top. This sandwich is the perfect mix of crunch, spice, and freshness, with each layer bringing a unique texture and taste. The chutney is where the magic happens, a balance of tangy, spicy, and herby flavors that elevate the simple ingredients to something truly mouth-watering, and the best part, you can customize it, add extra cheese, spice it up, or make it even crispier. Where should you get it? Try the sandwiches at Anand's stall outside Mithibai College. They're famous for a reason. Costing just $1 or 85 rupees, this sandwich is proof that simple things can be legendary. And now, from a comforting sandwich to something crunchy, spicy, and absolutely addictive. Number 6. Kanda Bhaji, Mumbai's ultimate monsoon snack. Kanda Bhaji, or onion fritters, are deep-fried golden beauties that Mumbaikars swear by during the rainy season. Crispy, spicy, and served with a hot cup of chai, nothing beats this combo on a rainy day. The secret to a great Kanda Bhaji is in the batter, a perfect mix of gram flour spices and a dash of carom seeds for that extra zing. The onions release their sweetness when fried, making every bite a mix of savory, crispy, and slightly sweet flavors. You have to try it at Vada Pav, CST. It's just 80 cents or about 65 rupees, making it the perfect budget snack. And speaking of crunchy, let's move on to a street food legend that needs no introduction. Number 5. Sev Puri, the ultimate chat experience. This one is an explosion of flavors in every bite. Crispy puris topped with spicy potatoes, onions, tangy tamarind chutney, spicy green chutney, and loads of crunchy sev. Every bite is sweet, spicy, tangy and crunchy. Basically, a party in your mouth. The layering of ingredients creates a medley of textures that keeps you coming back for more. Where to try it? Juhu Beach is the place to go for Bhel Puri. It's around $1 or 85 rupees, making it the best way to enjoy Mumbai's street food scene. But hey, if you're more of a Vada Pav person, you're in for a treat. Number 4. Vada Pav, the OG Mumbai burger. A soft pav stuffed with a spicy deep-fried potato patty, slathered with chutneys, and served with fried green chilies on the side. This is Mumbai's most iconic street food, and you can't leave without trying it. Head straight to Anand Vada Pav outside Mumbai College. It's legendary. And the price, just 50 cents or 40 rupees. Spicy, crispy and utterly delicious, Vada Pav is Mumbai's soul food. And now let's talk about a dish that's sweet, creamy and oh so satisfying. Number 3. Kulfi, the Indian ice cream. Kulfi isn't just a dessert, it's a royal treat. Made by slowly simmering milk until it thickens, then infused with cardamom, saffron and pistachios. This frozen delight is dense, creamy and packed with rich flavors. The texture is silkier than regular ice cream because it's churn-free, making every bite feel indulgent and luxurious. Try the famous Kulfi at New Kulfi Center in Chowpatty. It's a legacy spot that never disappoints. And for just $1.50 or 125 rupees, it's the perfect sweet ending to a spicy street food feast. Number 2. Pav Bhaji, the buttery delight. Pav Bhaji is a glorious mess of mashed vegetables cooked in a tomato-rich, spice-packed gravy, topped with a sinful amount of butter and served with soft, butter-toasted pav. Each bite is an explosion of tangy, spicy and buttery goodness. The best place? Sardar Pav Bhaji in Tardeo. Their bhaji is practically swimming in butter, and we love it. Price, $2 or 165 rupees. Number 1. Bhel Puri, the ultimate street food king. Bhel Puri is light, crispy and packed with flavor. It's the ultimate mix of puffed rice, sev, fresh veggies and zesty chutneys, giving you a tangy, sweet and spicy bite all in one go. Where to get it? Chowpatty Beach, the best Bhel Puri with a view. Price? $1 or 85 rupees. And that's a wrap! If you loved this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more foodie adventures. See you in the next one.